Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Instacart faces trademark lawsuit over Fizz app. So recently Instacart actually launched a new app or partnered with another company to launch a new app called Fizz. And I've covered that story on this channel before and thought it would be a great opportunity for those who are on Instacart, or really for those who are interested in shop and deliver orders at all, to really make some good money on the platform. But apparently that's not the case here, because now we got Instacart facing a trademark lawsuit over the Fizz app. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Instacart's new party-centric app, Fizz, launched on Tuesday, could go flat following a trademark lawsuit filed on Wednesday by Fizz Social Corp in a California district court. So Fizz is also a social media app, apparently. I never heard of it personally, but apparently so. New York City-based social media and commerce company, which targets college students and others in the Gen Z demographic, argues in a lawsuit that San Francisco-based last-mile delivery company Instacart and its business partner Partyful are competing head-on and using the company's trademarked name. Now, how is that the case? One application is for parties and okay, I guess I could see it, like physical social gatherings, as opposed to a social media company, which is mainly internet. I mean, I guess you could kind of call it that, but I don't know. I feel like that's like pushing it. Like, they have a case, but like, it's gonna be a fight. It's definitely gonna be a slugfest. In the App Store, the plaintiff describes its app as your go-to place to connect with people who matter to you the most. On Fizz, you could join your school's private community or your nearby community to share and discover authentic content through text, video, image, direct message, and more. With every post, you have the ability to be anonymous, allowing you to be your most authentic self, the app description noted. So wait a second. Your go-to place to connect with people who matter the most is a way for you to connect in a social matter. But on Fizz, you could join your school's private community and nearby communities and share content with people by remaining anonymous to the people that you say you want to connect with. I feel like there's a divide in the goals that you're trying to portray to the people involved here. The Fizz social media marketplace offers users a platform to buy and sell with your peers safely. Browse clothing, TVs, textbooks, cars, and more in the comfort of your private community. Safety and efficiency are top priorities in the peer-to-peer Fizz marketplace. Fizz Social said in a lawsuit that Instacart is a blatant attempt to misappropriate its brand. How am I supposed to buy something from somebody if I don't even know who you are, if I can't do a background check? Sure, if it's like eBay or something, or like OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace maybe. But if this is something along the lines of just a group of people trying to sell on their marketplace anonymously, like there's something shady going on there. In fact, I almost think that this is really just a way for you to promote your business. And Instacart's spokesperson declined to comment in response to questions from Supermarket News. Instacart's Fizz app offers party supply delivery for a flat fee of $5 and is tailor-made for groups, due to its availability to invite friends and contribute to the order separately. Fizz Social said that the lawsuit that has used its trademark since 2022 and has dedicated significant time, energy, and resources to developing distinctive social networking services that facilitate event discovery, party planning, and community building among the Gen Z community. The app is currently active in more than 41 states, according to the lawsuit. Well, first off, if you're still promoting this and I haven't heard of it and it's 2025, it sounds like it's not a successful app in my opinion. Or I'm just not social enough to know the difference. That also said, how how can you call it a party planning and event discovery application if I can't even discover you guys, number one, and number two, the networking opportunities that you're talking about keep you anonymous? Like, what's the point? Like, if this was like an actual social media platform and it's had all of these services and you were like not keeping yourself anonymous, I feel like that's my main like hang up on all of this. Like, if it's a social media app where you're not the person, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not yourself, like you're choosing to remain anonymous, that would be like, okay, now I see where there's a trademark issue, or that's why I see that there's a significant overlap there. But you're not. You're just a social media platform with similar services, I guess. Not saying that it's not enough for you to get a lawsuit together, but it sounds like there's a rebranding on somebody's end that's going to take place. In my opinion, it's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Talk about hitting a wall before even running. Imagine launching an app and the first thing that happens is you get slapped with a lawsuit. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like Instacart deserves or doesn't deserve or whatever, but honestly, I feel bad. Like, imagine this was a solid idea in theory if you just rebranded it, if you just gave it a different name or offered it under a different service. I would say that is a solid idea. You have my attention. I don't know what Partyful's situation is though. Like, I feel like this is something they should have known about. Like, how do you not prevent that from happening? Or maybe that's the point because there is a overlap there. Like, that's how you get more free media. Through this lawsuit. This is how you get your name further out there. Either way, I really hope that this doesn't affect the opportunities getting to other gig workers, because that's really what this was about, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.